Yo, what's up everyone? I'm at Dennys in Oakville. Beautiful, beautiful day right now. It's about 3 degrees Celsius outside. And it's next to Chops. Beautiful day to be outside. So perfect. Right now it's about 10:30 a.m. Just doing some preventative maintenance on the equipment. Beautiful, beautiful day next to Sandman Hotel. What a nice day to be outside, guys. For all your PMs, you can contact MaxFlow on Facebook or Instagram page, and we'll take care of you and make sure your equipments are in proper working condition. Sandman Hotel. This is actually what's it called? Dennys, and we have an airflow problem. And the filter doesn't look too bad. As you can see over here, it's not too bad. Even the coil is not plugged. So what could be the issue? And the blower fan is perfectly fine. It runs okay. Turns out, if you look really deep into it, you got a couple of filters that are stuck in there, which needs to be taken out. So unless you look carefully and do your preventative maintenance, you can't really tell. And even it can be missed within the preventative maintenance. So I only realized because I dropped my filter to realize there was another filter stuck in there. So that's what you got, man. Dennys. Contact MaxFlow for all your HVAC needs. Peace out, guys. Beautiful day, beautiful day.